everyone, welcome back to the channel. So how are you? I hope all of you are doing great and learning this language in a great way. So if you are beginner and looking forward to learn English language and you are thinking from where I should start, what should I do? So if you have the same problem, then this video is only and only for you. In this video, I will tell you from where you should start. Okay? As usual, you can see I have came in my room for practicing my English. When I got time, when I got free time, then I come on my roof and started to talk in front of camera and having conversation on Skype app. Do you know about the Skype app? If you don't know, then comment me, then I suggest you what is the Skype app and how you can use this app. Okay, so comment me if you want to use this app. This app is very useful for every learners because you can search easily, you can found easily your co-learners with whom you can practice English, and even you can found every level of learner. If you are beginner, then you can connect with beginners, and if you are intermediate and so on, what you want to do, you can do on this app. By the using of this app, your English is become very easy. Your English journey will become very easy. Yes, my friend. So in this video I will going to tell about that from where you should start. So if you are beginner and you don't know from where you should start, what should I do? So what I did, I am telling on the basis of that. Okay, in my initial time, I was not able to speak even 2 or 3 sentences. Yes, believe me, honestly I am saying to you, in my initial time I was not able to speak. Still I am learning, still I am also consider me as a beginner. But yes, I suggest you, if you are beginner, then firstly you clear your tenses. If your tenses is not clear, then you have to learn your tenses, because tenses is very essential, very essential for learning English. If you are going to start anything, start anything, then firstly your need is grammar. That's why you have to learn firstly grammar. I'm not saying the hard grammar, that you have to learn active, passive, direct, indirect, and phrases. This type of grammar you don't learn. Firstly you learn tenses: present tense, past tense and future tense. After that you start your speaking. Doesn't matter you are speaking with your broken grammar, with your broken English. Okay, just try to speak, because speaking comes by speaking. If you are going to do anything, then you have to do yourself firstly. Yes, I want to tell you a story that there was a person, you consider as a boy. There was a person, he want to swim, and he want to learn how to swim. Then every day he went to to the bank of river, and after sitting the bank of river, he was watching, he was only watching that how they are swimming, what instrument we required for the swimming, and only every day he goes, and after sitting the bank of river, only he watching that how they are swimming, and thinking in and he was thinking that yes, I want to swim, I want to swim, I can swim, but how it could be possible without going in the water, without entering in the water? How it could be possible? So if you want to learn how to swim, then you have to enter in the water. In this hand, if you want to learn this language, if you want to speak the English, then how it could be possible without speaking? Tell me. So what you have to do? You have to speak. No matter how much mistake you are doing, no matter how you are speaking, you just start speaking with your broken English. So what I am telling you, you have to learn firstly grammar. In grammar only tenses. You can, if you learn tenses, you can able to speak 25% English. No, not 25%, I think 75% you can speak if you learn grammar. Okay, so grammar means tenses. If you learn tenses, if your tenses is clear, then you can speak more English. Even 75% you cleared after learning only tenses. So go and just learn your tense and start speaking. And if you are beginner, you have seen, you have heard that mostly person are saying that translating method is not good. But if you are beginner, firstly start with translating method. Yes, they are saying that translating method is not good, but this is only for intermediate people. This is not for you. If you are beginner, so firstly try to speak with translating method. Simple sentences you have to translate in your mind, Hindi to English translation, and after that you can speak. You will be speak after that, after translating, because this is not our mother tongue. We are going to learn a new language. So how it could be possible that we can learn this language directly? This is not possible, my friend. Firstly you have to learn tenses. After that go and start translating simple sentences. Okay, so in this video I want to suggest you that firstly learn grammar, firstly learn tenses and some simple word meanings, and after that you can start speaking with your broken English. Okay, so you can see this is the view from my roof, and I am practicing in front of camera. Yes, one more thing I want to tell you, that if you want to learn this language, then start record your video like me. As I'm recording, you can record. After that you can see, you can watch your video that where you are making mistakes. Okay, so go and practice. Have your nice day. Happy journey.